Well, there have been a lot of speculations about Team India captain Rohit Sharma's inclusion in the first test match of the upcoming Border Gavaskar Trophy. Rohit Sharma, who recently became a father for the second time, he was blessed with a baby boy in Mumbai. But now the questions have arisen whether Rohit Sharma will travel to Australia for the first test match against Australia in the city of Perth. अभी तक स्पेकुलेशन लगाई जा रही थी कि शायद वो जल्दी चले जाए और पहले मैच के लिए खुद को अवेलेबल कर दे. In fact, the former India captain Saurav Ganguly said that if I would have been in Rohit's position, I would have gone to Perth to play the first test match because Team India needs its leader. But now, according to the latest developments, according to a report in TOI, it is being said that Rohit has informed the BCCI that he won't be traveling to Australia for now. He'd like to spend some more days with his family and his newborn child. This is the exact statement of what a source close to this story told TOI. He said, yes, Rohit Sharma will not be featuring in the first test. He wants to spend some more time with his family and the newborn, and the Indian Cricket Board completely respects his decision. So this is what the BCCI, the source close to BCCI had to say about Rohit Sharma's inclusion in the first test match. जितनी भी स्पेकुलेशन थी कि शायद अब रोहित क्योंकि फादर बन चुके हैं और अभी टाइम है पहले टेस्ट मैच में, देयर स्टिल अ वीक टू गो, ऑलमोस्ट अ वीक टू गो, तो रोहित शर्मा कैन ट्रैवल टू पर्थ एंड मेक हिमसेल्फ अवेलेबल फॉर द फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच. बट नाउ according to this report, Rohit wants to spend some more time with his family and his newborn child, and that is the reason that he has informed the BCCI that I won't be traveling to Australia for now. I'll be staying back in Mumbai in India and I'll be spending some more time with my family, and BCCI completely respects that decision. We have often seen in the past also Virat Kohli missed the entire England series, 5 test matches, because he also became a father for the second time. He also was blessed with a baby boy, and the same thing is happening with Rohit Sharma right now. Well, we'll have to wait and see. As I said, former India captain Saurav Ganguly said that अगर मैं रोहित की पोजीशन में होता तो I would have travelled to Australia and I would have played that test match. I would have played in Perth because Team India needs its leader and Rohit Sharma should be there. He needs to be there for his team. Well, what are your thoughts on this? Obviously, Rohit Sharma, great news for the Sharma family, having a newborn child at home. But now the all-important Border Gavaskar Trophy is also all set to begin. Rohit Sharma saying he won't travel. Saurav Ganguly saying अगर मैं उनकी जगह पे होता तो मैं travel करता. What are your thoughts on this? Do write to us in the comment section down below, and also wish the Indian captain and his family in the comment section down below. आपका कुछ भी कहना, if you want to say anything to the Indian captain, if you have any message for the Indian captain, your thoughts, your messages, you are more than welcome to write it in the comment section down below. Until then, do subscribe to the Cricknext YouTube channel. ऐसी अपडेट्स आपके लिए आती रहेंगी एंटायर बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी में. आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ सब्सक्राइब करना है, and all you need to do is hit the bell icon.